So easy, and the opening is so big, is the seat just goes in like that. Hi, welcome back to CarsAddiction.com. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ryan and we share car related content every Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesday is a short snippet of any car encounter we come across, and Sunday is a full-fledged video of a car I own, a project I'm doing, or anything car related. Now recently, I was given the task to buy our 2-year-old son his new car seat. Now without hesitation, and the petrol head I am, I went straight to Recaro. They do passenger and race car vehicles pretty well, even airplanes. And behold, they have a whole range of baby and kids car seats. And they are actually considered one of the top car seats you can buy in the industry. Now this video is all about if this Recaro kid seat will fit into the BMW Z3. Now we've went for the Recaro Young Sport Hero, and it's considered one of the best car seats for kids in the industry. It has side impact protection, the cloth is breathable and fire retardant. The head over here is adjustable, it's good for 9 months up to 12 years. It has a capacity of 36 kilos and it's one hell of a seat. One other things I do like about it is that it has these seatbelt latches where you hold the seatbelt in place to give you time to put it all around, so the seatbelt doesn't continuously get locked, which is a very annoying thing with other car seats. And I like the fact that these paddings over here are fixed in place and won't actually slide down and bothering the kid's neck. So that is a good point. Now this car seat is very hard to get hold of because it's always out of stock. So finally when it arrived, I was happy. But I was worried because it looks much larger than our old car seat. These side impacts made it very wide compared to the old seat. And I was worried that, because it is higher and it's wider, it won't fit into the car. Now let's get the Recaro kid seat into the BMW Z3. Now it won't be an issue actually to get in, but we have the hard top on. If you have the actually soft top, literally just put it on the soft top and just drop that in. But we're on our own. But to show you how easy, and the opening is so big, is the seat just goes in like that. Now obviously this is not recommended to put the car seat in front of the car. Usually the kids sit in the back when they're a certain age or height, so we must actually push the seat all the way to the back. Now before we actually put the car seat onto place, since we have leather seats, I like to protect the leather seats with a towel. So we have the car seat in place on top of a towel, not to rub onto the leather. We've extracted the seat belt using the lock mechanism that this Recaro seat has, which I really like about this car seat, that not all car seats have. And that will, example, help us, to swiftly put this in place. Now all we need to do is get this buckle, pass it through the back of these straps, and hook it up with the seat belt. Okay. Once that is in place, we'll make sure to release this. That will extract into the car as it will normally will. We'll make sure it's in these guides right over there, and make sure this is overlapping these rep parts on both sides. So that will go like that, and on the other side we have something similar. When that's all ready, everything's in place, just retract the seat belt in place and the seat is in place. As you can see, there is plenty of headroom as well. This even goes up higher. And mind you that we have the hard top on, which is a bit lower than the soft top itself. So there you go. The Recaro car seat into a BMW Z3. Thanks for watching. Take care.